This week's video, something different. We're taking it back to the old school. You see me? What Jamaicans tend to do, you see me? The typical Jamaican. You don't know that Jamaicans love dancing. Dancing is in our blood. So it's like everything we do with dance. Hey yo, Chad, man, cook up some bully beef, you know?
She said she like my clocks. She said she like my clocks. She said she like my clocks. Treat them clean and neat and never have marks. She said she like my clocks. She said she like my clocks.
Wait. Jamaicans always find a way to come up with creative words. If I'm dancing to something creative, like to express themselves, like a bad word, they would use anything to come up with that and come up with that bad word, like. Shirt there. How the bugs come on my shirt there? Yo, Chad, you asleep? Yo, you asleep, Chad? My, how the Rooster gonna wake me up in the morning, my yacht? Every Jamaican, everybody knows about Jamaicans. Every Jamaican, anywhere them go, them always late. Boss, me down here, boss. Look at the time. Where have you been? You're 1 hour late.
I never watch, boss.
It's 3:45.
You tell me 11 o'clock.
It's 3. What are you running on? Jamaican time or American time?
You see the sun outside, so the thing say 11 o'clock by looking at the sun.
Where's your resume?
Resume? What me need resume for cut grass, boss?
Cut grass?
Boss, I tie go out and cut grass, boss. That's all I can do, boss.
What kind of establishment you think this is? Cut grass type? Security with obviously.
Oh, you have a problem, boss. You need somebody to take care of me, that, you know, boss. Me can take care of that, you know.
Come and take this madman out of this establishment.
How in there? How the madman there? Boss, so me get the job?
In country, the light would cut out. So, just random times, you never know when to expect it. You eat your food and light just cut out. Whoop! Pass the ball up! Pass the ball up!
Tackle it, brother, man!
Put it on it up! Put it sit down now!
Oh, wait, the rules are far right!
Oh, big up on yourself, thank you for watching
big up
the
on
video.
yourself.
If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up.
Hit it.
Share the video, tell all your friends about it.
Yeah, let them know.
Yeah, man.
Share.
You know what I know, you see me? So yeah, make sure you share everything. But yeah, before we go, I want to tell you about,
About the Turkish airline?
Yo, the thing of Messi and Kobe Bryant in it. Man, the thing crazy.
Oh, no,
yo, everybody needs to go check out this commercial real quick. It's crazy. Just click the link. There's an annotation somewhere around it. You better click that thing. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Make sure you go like that video and like this video first.
Yeah, you know? Like the first.
I mean, yeah, like that one. Yo, make sure you subscribe to, you know.
She said she like my clocks. She said she like my clocks. She said she like my clocks. Treat them clean and neat and never have marks. She said she like my clocks. She said she like my clocks. She said she like my clocks. Treat them clean and neat.